This question says, if a vector P making angles alpha, beta and gamma respectively with x, y and z axis respectively, then sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is. So we have a vector A. It's a little three-dimensional. Let's say I'll try to draw it like this. So I have a vector A, vector P. I'll say this vector P is going like this. Now what is it doing? It is making an angle of alpha with x-axis, and let's say this is making an angle alpha with x-axis. So if it is making an angle alpha with x-axis, let's say the length of the vector is L. So then Lx would be equal to how much? L cos alpha, right? So in this way I can write Lx equal to L cos alpha. Similarly, Ly would be equal to L cos beta, and similarly Lz would be equal to L cos gamma. This is what we have. So from this, what will I have? I need to find sine square alpha plus cos sine square beta plus sine square gamma. So what is cos alpha equal to? Cos alpha would be equal to Lx by L. Cos beta would be equal to Ly by L, and cos gamma would be equal to Lz by L. This is what we have. So what will be, I want to convert cos square theta into sine square theta. I know that sine square theta equal to how much? 1 minus cos square theta. So I can write sine square alpha equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. So that is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha is how much? Cos square alpha is I'll say Lx square by L. So the whole expression can be written as 1 minus Lx square by L plus 1 minus Ly square by L plus 1 minus Lz square by L. So this whole thing can be further written as 3 minus Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square by this is L square here. I didn't put squares here. So by L square. Now we know that Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square is equal to L square. So this will become 3 minus 1. Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square is L square. So this by this will be 1. So the answer would be 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So the answer for this question is option C, 2. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.